Hello, this is Olivia, one of the house models still in Hillsboro, Barangay Santor, Tanawan City, Batangas. Okay, once you enter the house, you can see a wide space for your living room. You can also have your dining table there. It's your choice. This is the first room. It has built-in cabinets. It also has one toilet and bath sa baba. And the garage is also accessible at the back door. Okay. So, meron pa ding storage room or storage kayo pwedeng ilagay dyan under the stairs. And yung stairs nila is very wide. And sa second floor naman, you will see the bedrooms. It has 2 toilet and bath, isang separate. And then yung isa is nasa master's bedroom. Ayan. So, same as all project ng Hillsboro. Maraming bintana, so yung airflow, sobrang ganda, maliwanag. At pag talaga namang taglamig hindi mo na kailangan mag-aircon. Sobrang lamig dito guys, para siyang Tagaytay. And you will see the beautiful scenery of Makiling. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang peaceful.